Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video, and we're going to talk all about this chair bag that I have recreated from Area. It was no way that I was going to spend $900 on no bag. I made this bag for like $40, $30 I think. The price will be down in the description box of everything that I ordered. Yeah, y'all, we don't play that $800 and $900 bag. We want it, we made it. If you want to see how I achieved this pretty bag, make sure that you continue to watch. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, kiss that like button, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. We're gonna hop right into the tutorial. Hey you guys, so here are all the items that we are going to use or potentially use. I have an 18-inch chair, I have these adhesive 2mm rhinestones that comes with all of those, and then I got these replaceable bag handles, and I got it in silver of course, and then it comes with like little knots so you can put them in, and you can see that right there. Of course, we're going to use a glue sticks and then a glue gun. Now, I did anticipate using those 2mm loose rhinestones, but I actually didn't need them, so that's even better because this route was actually a lot faster. So what I'm doing now, of course, is measuring out each section little by little. This is the biggest piece that comes in those rolls of the sticky rhinestones. And I'm just going in and just measuring each section piece by piece and just placing that directly on the chair and then just slowly pressing it in while I remove the sticky protector. So this is honestly really easy. I'm doing this part in real time so you can really see exactly what I'm doing, but it's super easy, you guys. You want to make sure you're pressing it down, and if you have any extras that hang off of where you are, you're just going to press that down as well because that'll help with the aesthetic. You want it to look very clean. I want it to look like I actually did purchase the Area bag, even though we didn't, okay? And all of these items can be found on Amazon. The links are down in my description box. So make sure you go check those out if you're a DIY girl and you would like to do this as well. This is super easy. Between breastfeeding and all of that, this took me, if I was to just do it straight, this probably took me an hour to do, if that. It was so quick because most of the rhinestones were just stuck on. So perfect. Well, not most, all of them. So as you can see, I'm doing the base of the chair where a butt would go. This chair is actually a doll size chair. If you have I guess not an 18-inch doll, maybe an 18-inch doll could fit on this. But when I saw it, I was like, oh, perfect. Because I've been seeing this chair, a lot of influencers and other people have been wearing it. And Area has had like people on the red carpet. And I just was like, I really need to get with this brand. They have something else that I want to remake because that thing is $3,000. I don't got it, child. But yeah, so now you see I'm going into other sizes of those sticky rhinestone adhesives, and I'm just going in to do that just to help save some stuff and I don't run out. But yeah, honestly, it's really like repetitive. Most DIYs are, especially if you're doing rhinestones. It's really repetitive. You're just kind of covering the chair. So that's what you see me doing. So as you can see from the picture, every part of this chair is rhinestoned out. So I want to make sure I do the same. Now I'm continuing to look at it because I'm trying to figure out if I want it to be foldable or not. But by the end, I decided that I wanted it to still just be open. So with this chair, you want to make sure that it stays open in the way that you want it to. And you're doing the adhesives over each section while it's open so that it doesn't mess up when you're trying to open it back up. And that's something that I learned while doing it. So now I'm just doing those long leg pieces so you can see what I'm doing there. I'm just grabbing, that's the smallest section that came. So I'm grabbing that, and once I put that on the leg, you're going to see me start pinching the sides because you want it to wrap around. You don't want it to just be just sticking out because it does not look clean when you do it that way. So as you can see, I'm doing that pinching there. Pinch, 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 pinch. It's really important that you pinch like that. I know I'm going out of frame. I'm actually in this section. I got the baby in the rocker, so I'm doing like mommy things. But I think you can see for the most part what's going on. And then you see that pinching again. I'm pressing that. I'm making sure it's stuck to it and it's glued down before I move on to the next section. Now this adhesive is very, very sticky. It's been a day or two and nothing happened. So I'm showing you I did not use those pieces. I'm showing you I just cut and then put it where it needed to go and was able to like cut it in 2 pieces, little 3 pieces, little 1-piece sections. You can cut it however you need to cut it, but this is how the chair actually looks. I'm kind of going too close in, but you can see I'm really trying to show you the legs because you saw the top. So that's how the legs look. Now we're gonna go start with the buckle. The buckle does have a screw, so I had to screw that on. I honestly just did it with my finger. Grabbed my hot glue gun and just stuck that on each side above the back of the chair piece, the piece that connects to the back of the chair. I put those things right there because on the chair that comes in from area, that's where it looks like it is. And I said I wanted to really make it identical. I wanted, if you saw me in the street, I wanted somebody to be like, you got the airbag? You know what I mean? I wanted someone like to be confused. Like, is that really it? So I tried to do it as close as possible. The only thing is this chain is not exactly the same. I tried so hard to find it. So this is really how it looks. I'm done with the chain. It looks really, really good. And this is how it looks on. I'm trying to show you how it looks here. I don't want it to drop to the side. That's why I'm holding it. But it's really, really sturdy. Go to my Instagram so you can see this full outfit. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.